Okay, this gray column here, okay, mo na ang space requirements sa hotel. Okay, this is coming from the previous involved ako ng project with previously when I was working. Ito yung Kempinski Hotel, and then this is the requirement coming from them before started sa design. Ano nilang gusto ng buhat na number. But when the design progresses, ito yung na-propose. Okay? So we need to know, kanina please don't mind this yet. Itong i-mind lang kanina at least na-apply nyo siya sa drawing. Now, if you read the Kempinski book, if I will advise you to read really the book para ma-understand nyo how the hotel really works sa planning. Okay? Very important yan after this plate, at least kabalo mo kung sa structures of hotel in terms of planning, kung sa relationship niya with each other, yung spaces, and then how the area works with the economic side sa developer. Okay? So, money ang area, and then somehow, when you read the book, naasya yung mga butang dito if you are targeting ani na numbers of rooms, ani dapat ang inyong amenities, right? Or kanina number of occupants, mo ani ang required amenities. And then naasya yung proportion doon sa, let's say, every occupant should have this ani na square meter. Please read that. Okay, so now, you are building a hotel twice the size of this. Okay? I think when you calculated the BGFA of this one, 45% is somewhere around 49,000 or close to 50,000. Ang kanina project is only 25,000 BGFA. Okay? So meaning, the number really, I have said this before, is we need to proportionate this one according sa atong BGFA. Now, we have now a 49 close to 50,000 TGFA, so we should have this one proportion. Ratio and proportion lang tayo. So meaning, turning 146 would be somehow times 2. Somehow times 2. Okay, somehow times 2. Not exactly times 2. Okay. So you need to ratio in proportion. So okay, 146, 290 something. And still one module, meaning hotel natin ngayon is having a 296, 200 something 90. Junior suite will be times almost times 2, and then same module yapon. Okay. Now key is actually keys, meaning number of rooms. Terminology. Now notice here, di ba yung kanina is money i-apply, and then money lang i-desire sa client. So I would suggest dirita mag-base sa ilang desire for now. Kasi there are stories here na anong nalahit ang numbers din. Because still is the planning. Kasi ang mga columns, di na mo ma-fit ang ilang number na nag-increase ni. Okay? Now I would suggest dirita mag-refer, not this one. Okay, kay na-change din siya because of planning na process. Okay? So, mas nidagan ang ilang standard kaysa ilang i-require. Okay? Kani manggod is smart na naka-feasibility study na sila. Okay, so moment na question na. Sila good. Okay. Parehas sila ng Okay, here, okay, nakita na ako ang module is 42 square meter. Meron ka itong number. Orange ang number area. What this is, diba? Remember, wala ka na use it. 146. Okay, just to clarify, no? Okay, ang area na ako sa orange. Did I mention na sa number of rooms na remove is 146. Okay, so